it's Mateo from Quectel. I'm excited to show you our LC29HE EVB Kit, a remarkable evaluation kit with a dual-band, high-precision RTK LC29HE module. This EVB has two RT interfaces, separate power supply input as well as 4 signal indication LEDs and 2 SMA connectors. The LC29HE can receive and track a higher number of visible satellites in multi-bands compared to GNSS modules that track only L1 signals. It offers high-precision GNSS with 10 Hz RTK and dual antenna heading functions. Featuring high-precision positioning and low power consumption makes the LC29HE perfectly suited for applications such as real-time tracking and sharing economy-related services. We have packed all the accessories you need so you can quickly start developing and testing your custom GNSS application. Let's dive in and explore the evaluation kit. We have EVB with LC29HE module, 2 Type B USB cables, an active GNSS antenna, nuts and bolts. Now let's get more familiar with the main elements of the LC29HE EVB. Here we can see the LC29HE module. Next, we have GNSS antenna connector, PPS connector used for testing pulse per second signal, wake up button allowing us to wake up the module from backup mode, module reset button, 4 signal indication LEDs, position fix and UART TXD indicators, EVB and module power supply indicators, power switch, power and USB to UART communication interface supporting standard NMEA and RTCA messages, binary data, pair PQTM messages, and firmware upgrade. Power supply input only used to supply power to avoid insufficient J501 supply. EVB version. Mounting holes for EVB standoffs. We will now place standoffs so the EVB will be easier to operate. Let's now connect the active GNSS antenna to the module. Make sure that the antenna is placed with a clear line of sight to the sky. The first thing we must do is to install the driver so we can communicate with our module. To do that, we will visit Silicon Labs website, download, unpack and install CP210X drivers. Let's now connect and turn on our EVB. First, we connect the USB connectors of the EVB to the PC with USB cable. To switch it on, we need to set the power switch to the on position. The power indicator will light up. To achieve communication between our module and the PC and to observe the GNSS data, we need to use Quectel's tool called QGNSS. First, let's find out the USB serial port number, which is shown in Device Manager. Next, we start QGNSS, go to Settings and select appropriate module COM port as well as the baud rate. Finally, to start communication, we need to press the Connect button. And that's it! To find out more about Quectel's LC29HE EVB Kit, visit quectel.com, contact your regional sales team or our channel partners.